Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. As you can see, this is an unboxing. I'm not on the camera, I'm actually in the kitchen. I'm doing a bit of cooking right now and I just thought I'd do the unboxing in here while I was here. So I've got my trusty little crap paring knife, which is falling apart but works beautifully for opening the boxes. It's actually one of the sharpest knives I own, believe it or not. Right, now this was actually sent to me from Heritage Hill Shave Company, but it was organised by John Lucerian or Lucarian. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, mate. I hope I got it right, one of the two. So what is in here is some soaps. I don't know exactly what's in here, but I know there are some soaps in it. So there's a little bit of plastic packaging. I'm just going to push that a little bit further back and then pull this out. So we've got Josh Dye, shaveologist, founding partner of Heritage Hill Shave Company. Thank you for your order, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. We value your feedback. Please feel free to drop us a line. Brilliant. Very nice. I do like that when it's in a little card. Now there is a little invoice in here as well. Now I believe John actually paid for these, I think. Oh, have I just shown the address on there? I think I have. So there is the soaps. Independence Hall, Washington, Patriot and Continental. 6 ounce soaps, that's pretty damn big. And the last one I can see already is mentholated down here. Chris, your friend John is a hell of a guy. We hope you enjoy our scented line and would love any and all feedback you have to offer. Keep the great videos and content coming. Be well, Josh. Superb. Right, I'll pop that to the side. I might have to move some of that out of there because I might have shown some addresses, but we'll have a look once I actually put it on, if I remember. I'm terrible for this. So here we go. Shaving soap number 1, the Patriot. Lime, bergamot and patchouli. 6 ounces, they are heavy tubs actually. The labels are pretty central. That's when I will say, you know what I'm like when it comes to labels, I'm quite thingy with them, but if you actually look right at the edge all the way around up the top here, you can see where it's just, it looks a little bit sort of rough. I don't know whether these are hand cut or whether they're peeled off, I'm not sure. But we've got, I don't know who that is in the background. Is it George Washington? I've got absolutely no idea when it comes to American founding fathers and all that sort of stuff, but he's got an old pistol there and he's got the flag. But let's have a snifter. So I'll have a look at the soap. There's the soap. That's a nice pour, which sounds silly, but I do like it when it's poured nicely. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's lovely, and I'll tell you exactly what that reminds me of. It reminds me of, yeah, what's the name of the company out of the UK? That's terrible. I'm going to have to think of this and come back to it. But it smells almost identical to a soap that I've smelled before from a company based in the UK. God, what are they called? It's not Wickham. No, mine's screwed. Set that to the side. Then we have got Independence Hall, which I'm assuming is this building in the background. Cedarwood, frankincense and patchouli. Handcrafted in the USA, 6 ounces again. Oh, that's unusual. There's no ingredients list. If you want to see the ingredients, you've got to head on over to hhshave.com. Let's have a smell of this one. That's terrible that I can't remember the name of that company. Once again, a really nice pour of soap. Yes, I thought they smelled sort of similar, and they do, which would suggest that I am smelling the patchouli in both of them. But this one is very much more a citrus scent, and this one's quite clearly more woodsy. Definitely more woodsy. So the cedarwood and the frankincense are definitely making that sort of darker, woodier scent. Really nice. Right, next up we've got a few more bits of packaging. We have Washington. Oh, that'll be Washington. There you go. So that other guy wasn't Washington, I don't think. I don't know who the other guy is. Here we go. Washington shave soap. Tobacco, bay, jasmine, patchouli, sweet orange and fir needle. Now that sounds really nice. I'm not a massive fan of tobacco or bay. Let's just see what he's done with it, what they've done with this scent here. Once again, a nice pour. And that's really nice. That, to me and to my nose, is their barbershop scent, Washington. So that's very, very similar to a barbershop type scent, which is really nice. And I'm assuming this one here, yeah, Continental, This is the menthol and tangerine. You cannot go wrong. I love a bit of tangerine or a bit of orange scented soaps. Brilliant. Chilled. Shave soap chilled. You can actually see the difference in the colour. It's a lot more sort of, well, orangey, tangerine. And it just smells almost identical to what my mind says of Orange Chill from Sterling. But there you have it. The tubs are just, I mean, they're a little bit floppy, a little bit sort of, I don't know whether it's cheaper plastic, I'm not sure, whether it's recyclable plastic or recycled, I'm not sure. The labels, look, they're okay. I think they're a bit boring to look at, to be honest. But I suppose they're going for that sort of patriotic sort of look about them, you know, the red, white and blue American flag, and so I suppose they're sort of following what they are and they're true to their heritage. So in that sense, they fit the bill. They just don't look too nice for me, and to be honest with you, if you know me and you've watched me long enough, you know I'm a Celtic man, and I'm not a fan of red, white and blue anyway, whether it be any flag or whatever. Red, white and blue just does nothing for me. Green and white stripes is all the way. And with that, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm looking forward to using them. Thanks very much, Josh, for sending them. Thank you very much, John, for sorting them out and paying for them, and whatever you did, mate. It's very, very much appreciated. And I can't wait to use them. By all accounts, they're great soaps. Let's just see what I can do with a brush and a razor. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.